Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Money Control TV. This is still Shawn Hayes, where I talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to show it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're opting in on this video, it's because you want to know how can you get $125 for Equifax because of their data breach. And so I'm going to show you how to research to see if you was impacted by this data breach, and also how do you submit a claim. So stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you be the first one to know when I upload a new video. And so again, in September 2017, Equifax announced a data breach that exposed people's personal information of 147 million people. I was one of those. So, hey, I already claimed my $125 cash, but you can too as well. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And so when you go to this page, I will drop the link to this page. So all you do is click the link and get started as well. And so as you go through, you have two choices, right? You have a choice for free credit monitoring and identity theft protection services, or you can claim the cash payment. I claim the cash. I want cash, $125. So I'm looking through this. So make sure when you come to this page, read through the process. Even though I'm showing this on this video, I definitely want you to really understand and read the guidelines, right? And so I'm looking at this page, and so you want to know, am I impacted, right? Or my name on that list, right? So when you go to not sure if your information was exposed, I want you to click this link to look up the tools, right? And so you can start investigating, maybe your children, things like that, making sure, hey, if they owe you money, hashtag somebody got your money, they got your money, let's go ahead and file a claim. So you go to this page right here, click on this link, and all you have to do to check your eligibility is to type in your last name and type in this last 6 digit of your social security number. So that's, I was about to tell you my last 6, right? And you hit that submit button. And so you will see, based on the information you provided, our records indicate your personal information was impacted by this incident, right? So hit ready to file a claim. Hey, we want that $125. And so you have two options. You can submit a hard copy, download a form, sign it out, mail it off. But why would you do that when we're already online? So go ahead and file a claim online. Click that. So here go the quick instructions. Again, make sure that you read everything to understand that you know what you are really signing up for filing a claim. So choose free credit monitoring or cash payment. Again, I did cash. I want the $125. And so as you read the quick instructions mean that it's going to be easy. So it's simple, easy to file a claim. I'm going to hit the next button, right? And then I'm going to plug in all my information, right? And so all you have to do is plug in your information. Let me go ahead and do that really quick. So I'm back. I went ahead and put all my information in. So here you are at another page, section 1. And so this is where you're going to decide, do you want credit monitoring or you want cash payment? Remember, I'm teaching you how to get the $125, right? So all you would do was click option 2, right? So when you read this, let's go ahead and read this. It says you may be eligible to receive free credit monitoring or up to $125 if you already have credit to monitoring. So most of you probably have credit cards that have that credit monitoring built in your credit system. Maybe you already have different credit monitoring services. So great, submit it. So I did option 2 because I have that. I have those credit monitoring system built in. So I'm hitting next. And then here go to cash payments time spent. So what I do is hit yes. So if you claim 10 hours or less, you must describe the actions you took in response to the data breach and the time each action took. So I went ahead and I did it. I just simply said yes. I really took the explanation, right? So I did, this is what I did September, it was 2017. I did 10 hours, $10. All right. I just typed in right? I typed in, you know, I had to update my passwords. You know, I had to, you know, to remove credit cards, you know, on file. Maybe I had to run my credit reports, you know, and making sure anything that shouldn't be on my credit report, you know, I'm reviewing that, you know, all that data on my credit reports. And so I put that in there, and then I turn around and I check check next. And so if you had wanted to, you know, for $10 10 hours and less. So once I did that, any extra information, you got to, you know, upload supporting documents, I went to next, right? And so this is the part that I did not do because I didn't lose money you lost to spend. I didn't lose any money. I didn't spend any money. I just did the basic, bam, that's what I did. I hit next, right? Let me put it on pause really quick. And I'll be right back to you. I am back, and so you get to a next section. It says, how would you like to receive your cash payment? You can have a choice between check or prepaid card. I want check in the mail. Once you submit what type of payment, how you want to get paid, or how you want your payment received, cash or prepaid card, then you hit next, right? I'm gonna quit sharing and come back to you. Right, so let me go ahead and stop. So once I hit the next button, then it's going to bring all your information down, right? It's going to bring all your information down, and then you're going to have to check two boxes. It's going to ask you, do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? And then it's going to have you type in your name as a signature, and all you have to do is hit submit. Once you hit submit, another screen will pop up with your claims number on there. So make sure that you save that to your desktop. Make sure you print it out so you have that claims number available. And then the process is just waiting for your check or your prepaid card to show up in the mail, right? So, hey, make sure that you share this out with your families and your friends so they know that they possibly can get up to $125. I did my claim. And so I want you to do me a favor. I want you to write down in the comments, hashtag Equifax have my money, or somebody have my money. Come back, let me know when you submit your claim, because I want to make sure that we get what's due to us. And so again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification for the next time I upload another wonderful video like this. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.